getting some water. Ah! And then flew up into that tree. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, here it comes back. We need to get some water after all that food, huh? I just shot some video of them eating from the bird feeder over here. And then it flies up into that tree. That's where they're hanging out. Wow. And then back over to the feeder. There were 3 of them hanging out here. I looked up and there was all this green, these green birds. And I'd never seen green birds around here. Wow. Austin, Texas. Cat sitting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was amazing. See the other video to see them all eating from this. Wow.